So it's a tie.
Yeah. So now they go overtime.
So now they go, it's still more, right?
Overtime. Yeah, you get 11 seconds.
11 seconds, and then what?
Then you go to overtime.
And with that kick to tie it, we've had 38 points scored. Wow. In this fourth
So
quarter.
they have to find out the winner tonight, right?
Oh, yeah.
This is the first time that I ever understood football. I even went to a football game once, and I had no idea what they were doing. I was more interested in people's reactions around me. I didn't even care about what was going on. I didn't even know what was going on. Steven's teaching me tonight. It's pretty interesting.
That was why the coin flip was so key. You got these two quarterbacks, these two offenses, and Tom Brady with 3 monster third down.
2 of them to Edelman, 1 to Gronkowski. All of them were 3rd and 8+.
And this is satisfying, I tell you, when everyone tells you that you're not as good and they wanted to tell them they're not quite that same team, and they're going back again.
Burkhead able to drive across against a fatigued defense.
You're in overtime. It's a long drive. It's a touchdown, and that's Kansas City with an incredible season. They should be proud. Played incredible, and they had some chances today, too.
Heartbreak today for both home teams.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome to our family channel, the Catholic Unschooler. I am your hostess hostess Lisa Fry. Sorry about that. And it is almost noon, and I cannot tell you how funny I think God is. I said to my husband last night, I would love to wake up at 7 o'clock, because where we go to bed super late, I can wake up anywhere between 8 and 10. So that's very late, right? The whole world is moving along and doing their thing. And as long as we do our thing, then it really, to me, doesn't matter. But I really, 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 really enjoy the morning hours. To me, that would be superb. We used to wake up at like 5 in the morning. I used to tell my children that that's what farmers would do, and then they would go do their work. And then by the time they were done, they would go have breakfast. Well, that's what they wanted to do a lot of the times at 5, just to wake up in the early morning. We keep the shades down. They would do their school. They were done by like 8. We put up the shades, and boom, then they could be free for the day. So I really enjoy the morning hours. So I said that to my husband. I wish that I could wake up at 7. And then I heard this really loud bang in my sound while I was sleeping. And all of a sudden, I woke up and it was around 7 o'clock. So I was just able to I set goals for myself the day before, and I knew I had to clean the bathroom, and I had to put full clothes and exercise and clean downstairs, and I got rid of my Christmas tree. And even though I know that this space looks so nice with nothing in it, I'm going to miss the glow. So I put this tree here. It's kind of shabby looking right now, but... and then we put Miffy's toilet over there. Usually we keep it right here in the middle, and that's really kind of creepy, so hopefully he'll take to that. But I'm going to miss the glow of the lights, so I figured let me just do that. And I got those string of lights, the ones with the button. You push it, and it has like all different lights, like the different patterns, and has like more than 20 different ways. And I got the rosary going, and oh my gosh, I watched my favorite, where is it? My favorite, where'd I put it? CD this morning, all morning. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh. If you've never seen this, I highly recommend. It's not The Nun, as in the scary movie that's out there right now. This here is a documentary from a girl from Sweden who, she was like 15 or something like that when she entered the Holy Order. I don't know if she was either between 15 and 18. I'm pretty sure. Okay. But I had that on. Some days I just, when you say your morning prayers, you really want the house to be filled with holiness. See? Prayers and organization, and now we're going to watch the Mass. That's what I'm going to do. I got to put away these. That's the next thing. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, let me show you how much snow we got. There you go. Wait till you see when it's really, really snowing like crazy. all the trees are covered with snow. It looks like that movie Narnia. It's beautiful. Okay. Listen to that. Wonderful. Wonderful. The Mass. God is wonderful all the time. Those noises filling your home and in your hearts, your minds. It's very meditative. Nice. Listen to this. Isn't that great? Oh my gosh. Behold, now she follows the Lamb who was crucified for us, powerful in virginity, modest her offering, a sacrifice on the altar of chastity. This is EWTN, the Mass.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
The grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, and the love of God, and the communion of the
That's Greek. Beautiful. Okay, it is almost 7:25 at night, and I'm sitting on the couch after having a massive carbohydrate overload yesterday, which I hardly ever do. But let me tell you one thing, and I don't regret it. It was one of those, I really want this. So when Michelle by the Chickens by the Lake, from the Chickens by the Lake, says, you know, if you're going to do something, do it without regret as far as the food. And I have to say, I had a grand old time. I made this beautiful rice-a-roni from scratch and beautiful homemade fries for a movie. And I just ate it all day long, and it was wonderful. So now I'm sitting on the couch, and now it's like, okay, what am I thinking of? Spaghetti. And I'm like, the real spaghetti. And I'm like, okay, this would be a really bad idea. So I struggled with it for a really long time, and I kept going back and forth in my mind. I'm like, all right, that might be good. Thank God I was exhausted because I just sat on the couch. However, instead, this is what I did. I used cabbage, put some mushrooms. We're going to put some chickpeas in there and spaghetti sauce. And this is going to be our spaghetti for tonight. Neato. See? Right, Steve? You'll eat this, right? Like, look at the noodle.
Yeah.
Right?
I love cabbage.
Yeah.
But the sauce,
That's what I'm going to put on. You don't have to. Anyway, what a busy day this was. This was like the busiest day in the world. It really was. I took
productive.
very. I tell you, I had coffee at 3 o'clock yesterday, and this time it was caffeine. I think that's what did it. I woke up.
It's a good
Everything.
breakfast.
Oh my gosh. Everything. Everything got done and more. So let's go look at our Christmas tree. Well, it's not really a Christmas tree. Ta-da! So, well, first of all, it has a bunch of different lights. Like different patterns. So let's see which one we like. We like slow. No. Let's see. Steven, you like this one? Is that too slow? It's not even coming. Like that? That could be alright, right? Or no? Well, I mean, it does. everything really slow. Then it will do. You like that? All right. You're a slow person. I washed out the stem of the tree trunk thing. There it is. There it is. And there it is.
Whoop, there it is.
Is it all right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it stupid? Huh?
Excellent.
All right.
I can eat it without the sauce.
Yeah, but that's the whole point. What's wrong with that?
Absolutely.
Hey, you know what? It's the same thing as pasta,
Or better.
but better. Really. I'm not even kidding. Right? This is golden. And it's guilt-free.
I like mushrooms.
Mm-hmm. That's all you ever see is the husbands. They're like, come on, give me some privacy.
Sometimes you feel like I'm not.
No. All right, check it out. Ooh, like linguine. That's it. I just want to show everyone. This is a rabbit. This is our rabbit Miffy. And he's sitting on the footstool. See, there's my feet. Where am I? There I am. He's sitting on the footstool, waiting for Papa to come down. Look at it. He just sits there like a cat. Rabbits rock and roll. So awesome. They should never be caged. What's the point? This little guy, he has so much love, energy, playfulness, affection, kindness, goodness. Oh my goodness. He does not belong in a cage. Look at it. He just likes to sit up high. He's listening because he wants to see Papa, who is my husband. You waiting for Papa, babes? Huh? You gonna see Papa? Okay. So fast I can't even get him. I never thought that rabbits interacted like this.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Oh, here he goes.